guys, welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily make a petal sleeve pattern. So if you are interested to make that, go ahead and stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. For this tutorial, you will need a basic sleeve pattern. If you don't have this yet, I'm going to have the link in the description box below. You can go ahead and watch that because you will need it for this tutorial. So the first thing I will do is trace the sleeve pattern onto a piece of paper. Then I mark the center fold. Then I will measure half of the sleeve and then I will divide it into two. And then I'll go ahead and mark that. Going to draw a curved line from here all the way to the inseam. And here I am adjusting the curved line because it wasn't curved as I wanted it to be. And then I will add about 1 centimeter seam allowance. Actually, I made a mistake here. My pattern already has a seam allowance. I should not have added it, but if your pattern did not have a seam allowance, you will add it. Your pattern piece should look something like this. I went ahead and cut it out, and I also going to label it. So I'm going to put inseam right here, and if you notice, the sleeve says cut 2, so you will have 2 pieces per sleeve. So basically you will need 4 pieces. Now it's time to cut out the sleeve pieces, and here I folded the fabric like this, so when I cut out the fabric I will have 2 mirroring image. And then if you put it together, it should look something like this. So that's the inseam right here. And then I open it up and I'm going to match the curves right here. Before we put together the sleeves, I am going to hem the sleeves first. So I'm just going to double fold it to get a rolled hem finished. Pay attention to the hemlines just because both ends has curves, so it can get confusing. It should look like this, so pretty and tidy. Make sure that the sleeves are going to fit in the arm side. Measure the arm side first and then measure the sleeve slope. The sleeve should be the same length of the arm side or at least 2 inches bigger. You can easily gather it to fit the arm side. According to my measurement, it should be at least 3 inches away from the inseam. So I place the piece right here and I'm just going to sew it right here so they will become one piece. And then I will sew a basting stitch right below the first stitch that I made earlier so I can easily gather the sleeves later on. So here I ended up making a new pair of sleeves just because I did not like the way the raw edge is showing on the first sleeve that I made earlier. As you notice, I serged the raw edges here instead of rolling them. But honestly, that wasn't necessary because at the end of this video, I ended up trimming the sleeves anyway. Oh well. And now it's time to join the inseam, and my tip is it's actually much easier if you join the inseam first before you hem the sleeves. I learned that the hard way. the overlap should be facing each other, just because when you put it on the sleeve, they should go on the same direction. So now it's time to join the sleeve in the armhole. I first match the underarm seam and then the shoulder seam. I also going to gather the sleeve as I go, so I'm going to ease it in basically. And remember, right sides of the fabric should be facing each other. And then I am going to base stitch it just to make sure I like the way it looks. So if I need to adjust it, I can easily pull the threads out. So this is the finished sleeves. I absolutely love how they turn out. So when I tried on the dress, I thought the sleeves were a little big on me, but if you like the puffy sleeves look, that is perfect. But for me, that is too much sleeves, so this is a matter of personal preference. So I ended up editing the pattern and the sleeves itself. I basically cut it in half. To cut this in half, so this is the center, so this is half, is 2.5. And then I will add seam allowance about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter. So this is the edit that I am doing on my pattern. Yeah, so really it's totally up to you if you want the sleeve longer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so you will get notified whenever I post a new video.